Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this week's try on haul. Today we are featuring Cupshe. Big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on this video. You guys know I absolutely love their swimsuits. I actually fell in love with them last year. I bought two of their suits, fell in love, so when they reached out and offered to let me pick out some new ones, I was excited to share with you what I got, and they've got some super cute pieces. So let's get into it. I've got some bikinis, I've got one pieces, I've got a cover up, but let's get through some details about what you need to know about Cupshe. So first things first, they gave me a coupon code. You can use KF15 for 15% off your order of $65 or more. It never expires, so make sure you check out the links in the description box for more. If you have not already downloaded the Cupshe app, I highly recommend it. You know when they're doing price drops in terms of sales, you know, it's the quickest way to shop. If you have any issues, anything like that, check out the app, download that. All the details will be linked down below. So if you don't know, Cupshe doesn't just sell bathing suits. They're like a one-stop shop for anything that you need for whatever season it is. They have amazing dresses right now, cute cover-ups, beach bags, dresses, loungewear, like everything you could need, they have it there. And the best part about it is it's all on average under $25 for their high quality pieces on their site, which is awesome because who doesn't love an affordable bathing suit? They also have an amazing size range from an XS all the way to a 4XL, so you're bound to find something that fits you. They use special quality fabric that's flattering for bodies of all types. So a couple things Cupshe has changed on their swimsuits, if you haven't ordered in a minute, is all their bathing suits have these adjustable straps on them, these like sliders, which are amazing and obviously really helpful in terms of customizing the fit for your swimsuit. Also, all the cup pads are removable, but they're not just like random cup pads that are like thrown in there that you instantly want to remove. Honestly, I kept in all the cup pads in these bathing suits that I'm about to show you because they're specially designed and tailored for that swimsuit. So you can keep them, you can get them out, whatever the case may be. I just love that they actually are meant for the bathing suit. And as you know, I am a mom, so I am all about coverage. But the cool thing is they have different rises and different coverage depending on what your style and phase of life is right now. And the pictures accurately describe what you're getting so you aren't shocked when you're like, oh, that has no bum coverage. That's what you wanted. So again, all the swimsuits I'm about to show you will be linked down below with that 15% off coupon of $65 or more. Let's jump into trying on some cute swimsuits. All right, I'm gonna start off with a bang. I'm gonna start off with my favorite swimsuit ever. When I first looked at their website, this was sold out, and then when it came back in stock, I was like, yes, I absolutely need this. It is giving me like, I don't know, surfer, bodysuit, wetsuit vibe. It's so freaking cute. Something I will say to begin with, I got mediums in all of these swimsuits. I just wanted to see how a medium versus a small would fit. I got smalls all last time and I felt a little bit tight, so I went ahead and went up to a medium and I fit super comfortably. So check out their sizing guide if you are concerned, but if anything, if you're like borderline, I would size up. I had no issue with any of these swimsuits being too big. I love this. The stitching on this, so cute. I love the pattern. It's like pastel, like oranges and peach and teal and purple. And this zipper is actually like, I'm not afraid it's gonna fall down. It's like a really high quality zipper. This is everything. This is literally like, I'm gonna go to a water park with my son. This is it. This is it. I freaking love this swimsuit. I think it's really girly. It's really feminine. It's just so freaking cute. There's something about being like covered up, but in a swimsuit that's just, I don't know. I love it. You don't have to show it all to like be sexy and cute. So absolutely love this first piece, and I'm so excited that that came back in stock. Speaking of sexy though, this bathing suit is it. So what really like drew me to this bathing suit is obviously the deep plunging V neckline, which is absolutely gorgeous, but also that back detail. I loved how it tied in the back, so I wasn't afraid my straps were gonna fall down in my back. This is gorgeous. Obviously super high leg line, cheeky coverage, very, very deep V, but I love this for like a, you know, resort vacation with my fiance and not my child. It's not family friendly, but it is so sexy and so beautiful, and I just feel really chic in this swimsuit. I absolutely love this. I cannot believe that you can get quality like this swimsuit for a really affordable price. So I absolutely love that one. This one was really fun, and I love the colors of this, and I love the pattern of it. I love the little tie in the front. Again, you can kind of control how much coverage you have in the front, which is awesome. Again, has adjustable straps. This is just so pretty. I love the colors. And yeah, I have nothing like this. I feel like it's not too tropical. Like you could wear this to the pool and not be like, oh, that's like a Hawaiian bathing suit, because the floral detail I feel like is very subtle but sophisticated and not like hot pink. It's like a muted tone. I love this blue. This is absolutely stunning. I love this. Okay, and the last one piece that I grabbed was this. This had the most interesting neckline I've ever seen. I love this sort of like slanted halter neck top. I actually tried a swimsuit like this from a different brand, and I had to return it because the cup things kept like coming forward and it didn't lay flat. This one, because it's like tight here, stays flat against the chest. I'm not afraid that anything's gonna roll out, squeeze out, nothing like that. I love the pattern on this. It's so like 70s vintagey, sort of like, I don't know. It's different. I own nothing like this. I own nothing like this color, and I honestly think it looks really nice. I love the back detail. Again, doesn't have sliders, but it is completely adjustable throughout, so you can adjust the neck piece by pulling tighter and tying this knot. Thick quality, and I'm not afraid that it's gonna come untied. Before we get into bikinis, let's talk about cover-ups. I don't know how I've lived my entire life without one of these little beach sarongs. This is the most flattering thing for the top of any swimsuit. You can wear this over a one piece, you can wear this with a bikini. It is, and the white goes with everything. It's sheer, so you can still see what's going on underneath. It's got these adorable little tassels, which I love. The quality is really nice. I'm just in love with this. In love. If you do not have a beach cover-up sarong, you need to add that to your collection. Okay, this little pink number I thought was super cute. These are more of like a fuller coverage bottom with the thicker sides. It has a little bit of ruching, which is nice, kind of hide that mama pouch, you know? These are, I would say, like a mid-rise, not super high-rise, because they don't cover the belly button, but I've been really into pink, so I really love that pink. And this top is so sweet. You can tie this a couple different ways. I showed two. There are adjustable straps on this. You tie the front together, these ruffles, I can't even, so cute. You tie the front together and then you can wrap it around. You can kind of draw out the look of the straps to make it look a little bit more like strappy and flirty and cute. This color, these ruffles, it's everything. And I love it with the little sarong for a little bit of extra coverage, but I would say the bum coverage on that is a pretty good coverage. This next swimsuit that I saw, oh, this color is everything. And the pattern on it, it's actually textured, which I really enjoy. But this blue on tan skin, I mean, whew, girl, so cute. This is a high-waisted. I would say this has pretty good bum coverage. The top, I would say, it runs a little bit small, so I would say if you're interested in this suit, go ahead and size up. I sized up to a medium, and I think that that was a good move. The whole back is strappy and completely adjustable, so again, you don't have to worry about like, if you size up, is it going to fit and like be secure around your waist, because you can tie it around your like, chest, because you can tie it as tight as you want. I love the crisscross back straps. I love this basic bandeau top. I just think this is such a beautiful color and a beautiful print and a staple little swimsuit for the summertime. So those are all of the bathing suits that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on haul. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget you can save 15% off your order of $65 or more by using KF15. Let me know if there's any of these swimsuits that you guys are going to check out in the comments down below. If you guys want to continue seeing videos like this, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thanks for stopping by today, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!